Hello everyone, welcome back. If your HP color LaserJet CP2025dn prints are showing color shadows, double text or misaligned images, this video is just for you. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to clean your print and run calibration to fix color alignment and get clear, sharp prints again. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's understand why this issue happens. Over time, dust, toner powder or burnt rollers inside the printer can cause color layers to print in the wrong position. That's why you see cyan, magenta and yellow not lining up properly. It creates shadows or blur text. Cleaning removes the dust and toner buildup, and calibration helps the printer realign all the colors perfectly. After these two steps, your printer should print crisp, accurate colors again. First, make sure the printer is turned off and unplugged. Wait a few minutes so the internal part can cool down. Open the front door of your HP CP2025dn printer. You will see the 4 toner cartridge: yellow, magenta, cyan and black. Carefully pull out each toner cartridge one by one. Place them on a clean surface. Avoid touching the shine green drum area. That part is sensitive. Now take a soft dry cloth or small brush and gently remove dust, toner powder or paper fiber inside the printer. You can also use a small vacuum or air blower to clear the fine toner dust, but be gentle. Make sure there is no loose toner left inside. After cleaning carefully, reinsert all toner cartridges in this order: yellow, magenta, cyan and black. Close the printer cover and turn the power back on. Wait for it to initialize. Now it's time to fix the color alignment. On your printer control panel, press OK. System setup, print quality, calibrate color, calibrate now. Your printer will take a few minutes to align the tone colors properly. Don't interrupt this process. Let it finish completely. After calibration, print a test page or color document. You should now see that the cyan, magenta and yellow colors line up perfectly. No more color shadows or Blu-ray images. And that's it. You are successfully clean and calibrate your HP Color LaserJet CP2025dn printer to fix color misalignment and shadow printing issues. In this video help you, give it a like, subscribe to fix tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.